Alright, you can open up this one gift.
One gift.
Who's this from?
It's from us.
It's your Christmas present.
What is it?
Open it up and see.
Open it up.
What'd you get? What is that? What is it?
What is it?
What is it, Alyssa?
Oh no.
You don't know?
It looks like asparagus.
Oh, Brandy.
You got asparagus for Christmas.
Are you happy?
No. I wanted a toy.
Oh.
But asparagus
That's what you
it's the gift that keeps on giving. Because what's going to happen tomorrow? You can,
I want a toy.
well, what's going to happen when you eat the asparagus?
Can I eat it right now?
Yeah.
Well, we need to cook it first.
So you happy with your present? Oh.
It's got to be cooked first, Alyssa.